हम ईसीजी कराने वाले हैं। तो ईसीजी इज इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम। तो उसमें भी रिकॉर्ड द इलेक्ट्रिकल एक्टिविटी ऑफ द हार्ट। सो द प्रोसीजर वी फॉलो इज फर्स्ट क्लीन कर देंगे। सो पहले जहाँ पे लीड्स लगाने वाले हैं वहाँ पे हम लोग पहले क्लीन कर रहे हैं।
Clear the dead cells so that the conductivity would increase.
ये क्या लगा रहे हो?
ये स्पिरिट से क्लीन कर रहा हूँ।
क्या कर रहे हैं?
स्पिरिट से क्लीन, जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रोड्स लगाने वाला हूँ। तो अगर कोई डेड स्किन सेल्स होंगी या फिर डस्ट पार्टिकल्स होंगे तो दे विल नॉट इंटरफियर विद द रिकॉर्डिंग। देन नेक्स्ट आई विल नाउ अटैच द लीड्स। तो उसके पहले लीड्स पे हम लोग एक जेल लगाते हैं टू मेक इट मोर कंडक्टिंग।
Silicon gel.
Silicon gel.
Yeah.
What is the use of this silicon gel?
It makes it more conducting. We can't allow air bubbles to stay in there because they won't allow the electrical signals to be sensed. So
You try to minimize the resistance.
Resistivity, minimize resistivity.
And more accurate result. So you monitor the electrolyte activities.
Actually, this device, these are recording electrodes. So they are going to measure the electrical current changes which will be occurring. The heart may be changes in the heart, but there will be similar changes. We can sense these limb electrodes which are applied over here. Since the body is a whole volume conductor, so whatever changes will be there in the heart will be seen in the limbs as well. So we put the electrodes over there. This device will measure the changes in the electrical activity and which then we will
Electrical activities means electrical current passing through body.
Ma'am, whenever the heart beats, there's a potential difference which is generated in the heart. So that is what the ECG works on. So depending on the part which is working, there is electricity generated in that, and in few other areas there's no electricity. So there's a potential difference. So ECG monitors it.
okay, now I'm starting the recording.
that triangle it's called the Einthoven triangle. But instead of measuring it from here, here and here, we put the electrodes over here and the left leg. That was the Einthoven was the person who gave the ECG, principle of ECG. So that's how the standard ECG.
How
is
is
taken.
defined there was cardiac arrest in the heart? How you can find out this cardiac arrest? ECG means sometimes ECG is if there is some cardiac arrest, then ECG will
Ma'am,
be
yeah.
activating.
See, this is the ECG, okay? So there are different, there's a P wave, there's a QRS complex, there's a QRS, and then there's a T wave, okay? So all these components are there. According to if there's a cardiac arrest, there will be ST elevation, okay?